Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. We're at CES 2024 in the JBL booth with Bill, and Bill's going to talk to us a little bit about something that they've added to the Extreme 4 for this year. Bill, what do we got here?
Yeah, so one of the things that we wanted to be cognizant of is being a better global citizen and make our products more eco-friendly. And one of the ways we do that is not only we create the product using recycled materials, recycled fabrics, we want to make the products last longer and give the products a longer lifespan. So as we all know, lithium-ion batteries have a shelf life. It's just a matter of physics. Over time, they deteriorate, they can't hold as much charge, and eventually they die out. So in order to alleviate for the customer having to throw away their product and having to buy a new one, we're coming up with ways where they could just simply replace the battery themselves. So on the bottom of the Charge 4, there's a little panel that has 2 screws that you could simply unscrew, take the panel off, and we sell a battery as an accessory where they can replace the battery and thus extend the life of their product. And some of these batteries will even be interchangeable with some of our new PartyBox speakers that we have coming out later this year as well.
That's great. So you have a speaker here that you wind up loving, and then the battery wears out. Now JBL's got a solution so that you don't have to send it into a service center. You can do it all yourself. Thanks, Bill, for showing us around a little bit. We're at the JBL booth at CES 2024. Stay tuned because we've got a lot more coming up.